This is what I know to do with a pair of nunchucks or sonderbongs. So there's two parts. Part one is bam. That's part one, and then part two is back. So it goes over the shoulder, across the thigh, behind the back, and on the neck. That's both parts. So this is the next part. Or if it looks rough, I haven't practiced this in a while, and it's a lot harder while looking at a camera. Next one is spinning. One spin, two spins, three spins, and then so on. Yeah, that is it all. That's all I know. So.